Hi everyone, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new weekly video where I review my portfolios, my trades, and I analyze the markets and tell you how I see the financial markets. Starting with my total profits chart, this is the total profits I have since I started this trading journal back when I started the YouTube channel, which was in mid-June. You can see my profits are bouncing around and I'm not really in a trend in terms of my own profits. I'm still making 10,000 since I started trading again in the beginning in the end of 2020, sorry. So this is what you are looking at right now are my total profits. I'm thinking it's going to start trending up again because of what I have to introduce to you. So we're going to go with the technical analysis. I'm going to start by crypto, but I have things that I really want to show you. If you want to make me happy, please watch until the end. I have so many things, so many interesting things to show you, so please watch until the end. We're going to start by cryptocurrencies because I know most of you really like crypto. This is Bitcoin to US dollar. As I said multiple times, I'm not interested into Bitcoin right now because okay, cryptocurrencies are great, but Bitcoin is just the least performing of cryptocurrencies. It did not even go back to the previous high. It was like right there compared to Ethereum. So Bitcoin is really good. I use that as an index. It can be a very useful asset for people with immense portfolios because it's very liquid, but it's not very interesting to me. However, what we are seeing is altcoins look very nice. So this is the crypto total market cap without Bitcoin. So this is all the altcoins, including Ethereum market cap. And you can see that it's trying to print a nice cup and handle pattern. So if we see a cup and handle triggered, this might be very, very good in the future. Of course, right now, there's nothing still in place. We are in a range market. We are without a trend. So here we have nothing really interesting happening in terms of trend. So when you take trades in this market right there, your trades are going to be a little what we call choppy. Choppy means there is no clear trend. Your success rate in terms of trade is not really good. I'm not taking many trades at the moment in crypto. I'm not looking at crypto at all. I just have one opportunity that is interesting. I might take it, I might not take it. I don't know. I'll see at the daily close. If you want to know which is this opportunity, you can watch until the end where I will present all the opportunities I'm seeing on all the markets I'm looking at. Then this is my view on crypto. It's very simple. You might think it's too simple, but it's how I view things. We're gonna go to the money markets. So the US dollar is looking great. I don't know if you guys are holding US dollars. I'm holding quite some US dollars because the money I have, for example, either on Binance, on KuCoin, on Kraken, is in Tether USD. So Tether USD is like you holding dollars. The USD is trying to print a double bottom. You have this level right there that's being tested, but to me, the real important structure is here, this double bottom. So if we validate this double bottom pattern, we might see the US dollar appreciate and maybe go back to the dollar index, come back to 100 points. What does that mean? It means whether the currency you're using, the dollar might be the strongest currency at the moment and might be the currency appreciating at the moment. So if you live in Eurozone, if you live in Japan, if you live in India, if you live in Europe, you might as well start thinking about changing your money as the market tells you that the dollar is becoming a stronger currency. Of course, if the market fails going up here and reintegrates the range markets, then this is going to be again a stagnating dollar for quite a while, and low volatility for money is always great as an investor. But right now we're trying to see the US dollar is giving us an alert, and there is something you really need to pay attention here. As you can see, we are retesting at the moment this pattern, and I'm looking at, of course, taking a position where I will long the dollar and short the euro because, as you know, I live in Eurozone. Next, we have commodities. Commodities are really, really important at the moment. You need to look at commodities. If you don't know what commodities are basically materials. Copper, iron, silver, tin, lithium, oil, gas, coal, and all that kind of stuff. And they are really killing it at the moment. You can see the trend that this market has. So this is the GSCI commodity index. So it's an index that packs in the most important commodities in the market, and it's basically like the chart of oil, if you really want to know about it. If you look at oil, you can see, I'm gonna go into full line, you can see it's breaking up as we are talking. The candle is not closed, so you need to wait until the candle closes. We agree on that. But the market is going back to a high that was previously seen in 2018. So I'm looking at commodities really, really, really closely. You really should look at commodities. It's very important. We're going to talk about that in the future. So, because commodities are exploding, what's exploding? Oil and gas stocks. You know it. I spoke about it quite a lot actually. I'm trying to push this into you so you don't miss on this opportunity. It's getting more and more late to enter on the breakout that is happening. So this is European stocks for oil and gas, but you know that most stocks from the oil and gas sector are breaking out. That is an absolute mad thing happening at the moment. If you look at the oil and gas indexes in the US, for example, look at that. Look at the energy fund. This is an index that tracks the energy prices. It's skyrocketing through the roof. This is oil and gas explore and production ETF that is breaking out of a high that was previously seen in 19. You have Canada oil and gas breaking out. If the chart would like to charge, please, thank you. Breaking out here from a new high. There is really something happening in oil and gas, guys. I really want you to know about this opportunity, so please take a look at this. Please take a look at this. And also you have the cost of shipping, but we'll talk about that in the future. I already made a video about uranium, so please check out uranium stocks. I made a special video about it. You really need to dig into that. This is a great opportunity. This is not an advice to tell you that there is a 100% chance that this trade becomes successful, but this trade can be one of the trade of the decade. Look at this chart. Look at the chart the uranium ETF has. It's crazy. If you're watching this video right now, we're so early. Look at the volume that came, and I took one position on this sector. So we're going to go into the trades I took. So in my French stock portfolio, I'm holding Total Energies, which is the French national oil company that you can see I bought there on the diagonal retest, and I will add to it as the trend creates. I'm trying to invest my portfolio time by time. I will add to it. And I added Royal Dutch Shell, which is the Dutch national company of oil and gas. And I added, I'm trying to add on this stock, which is oil and gas production. Then I have other trades that I took, which are this one on lithium, which is a cup and handle pattern that is not really working really nice, because I only take one bet on lithium and it did not become really interesting. And I also have other trades on oil and gas that you can see I think are gonna go really well. So this is actually uranium, and oil and gas is here. For example, this stock is oil and gas, and this one is oil and gas, and it's looking like it's going to go quite nice. The sector is really blowing up, guys, so please check out oil and gas stocks. I want you to check that out, please. Just another opportunity for cryptocurrencies. As I said, I'm looking at Luna. Luna is looking quite very nice. You can see that this is what we call strong momentum. The thing is going up like crazy, and there is a breakout, so I will try something on Luna. Very interesting thing. This is the only one I'm looking at. And many stocks, well, this one is too late to buy, so I have to remove it. And I have, oh, this one too is too late, shit. This one, FA Shacks Energy Service, looking nice, oil and gas. This one, WFRD, looking very nice. And I have Commodities and Rare Earth. This one looks very good too. A Neo Lithium Corporation, very nice stock, very beautiful structure. Lithium being one of the most precious commodity at the moment for batteries and technology. So yeah, please check out all these stocks. Check out the oil and gas sector. Please check it out, guys. I'm asking you again. Please, you really gotta check that out. If you wanna know the list of stocks I have for the energy sector, please take a look at it. I'd be very happy. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the oil and gas sector. See you in the next video. Goodbye.